Hello, welcome back. So here we are with a little cutesy, girly Valentine's Day look. Obviously it doesn't only have to be Valentine's Day, you can wear this look pretty much any day of the year. I wanted to just do something that was like soft and natural and fresh, and I'm also going to do like a full glam Valentine's Day look as well, but I wanted to just start it with something that was a little bit softer and a little bit more natural. But as always, let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting by priming with my Marc Jacobs primer. So just giving that a light layer all over, and then I'm going to mix my two Nars foundations. Firstly, I'm taking my Natural Radiant Longwear foundation and I'm just going to dot that over. And then I'm going to take some of my Sheer Glow and I'm going to mix these together on the skin. The reason I use two different ones is because one is too dark for me and the other one is too light for me. I'll leave the names of the shade below in the description box. So I just mix them together on the skin and I really like how this little combo came out. And then I'm going to take my Jouer concealer. This is the shade Custard, I believe. And I'm just going to use this to highlight in my usual areas, which is under my eyes and down along my T-zone. And then using the same sponge then just to blend them together. This is a sponge from Ofra Cosmetics and I use it damp. And once I have that blended, I take my Hourglass translucent powder and in again with the same beauty sponge. I'm not baking it, I'm just pressing a light layer of the powder in underneath my eyes and down along my T-zone just to kind of melt everything together. And to bronze, I'm taking my MAC bronzer. This is the shade Delphique and it's from one of their collections, but I'm not sure of the name. But I'm just going to use that to bronze up my skin and contour. Then I'm going to just carve out my contour as well, just to get that a little bit sharper. Adding blush, I know, who am I? This is Warm Soul from MAC. I've been making a conscious effort just to use a little bit more blush lately, just for a little bit of colour. Jumping into eyes, I'm taking my Dose of Colours Laid Back Cream Eyeshadow. And I'm starting by putting this all over the lid. It's so pigmented that you only need the tiniest amount at a time. So use this product little by little. After I put it on the lid, I'll just take a fluffy brush then and I'm just going to start blending it out. And I recommend just to do one eye at a time because it does dry down a little bit. So you want to be able to work with the product while it's still creamy. Then go in with a little bit more just on the outer corners and just pressing it on with the flat brush, and then back in again with the fluffy brush just to really soften the edges. Now I'm jumping in with my Fenty Eye and Lip Crayon. These are the metallic ones and the shade I use is called Parka Princess. So it's this nice rosy gold shade. So I'm going in all over the lid with this and I give it like a good layer because they're quite subtle. And just to add a little bit more, I'm taking this glitter from Urban Decay and I just put some on the back of my hand and then pressing it on then just with my finger just all over the lid. This is just kind of enhancing the metallic shade and just giving it a little bit more of a pop. Just so you can see here, you can see the little soft speckles of glitter. Going back into the cream eyeshadow, I'm taking the tiniest amount on the tip of this fluffy brush and I am just blending that in really gently and just taking my time. This just helps kind of pull the whole eye look together. And I'm just going in with a soft colour in my waterline. This is Marc Jacobs Pink of Me and I'm just going in with this on my waterline and coating my lashes then with my usual Marc Jacobs mascara. And to add a bit more pink, I'm taking this pink shade from this Kat Von D palette and I'm just packing this on my inner corner. So it's just that soft metallic pink, but I feel like it just kind of pulls the whole look together and keeps the pinky hues. For my lashes, I'm taking my Hudabeauty Jacqueline lashes. Again, these lashes are just really soft and not too heavy. Going in then with my roller liner from Benefit, which is just this really nice soft felt tip. And I'm just going to use this then just to fill in this little gap here from where the lashes start. Now to highlight, I'm taking my Champagne Pop, which I haven't used in forever, but I decided to use it today for a nice golden glow. And then into lips, I'm going to keep it all pink, and I'm taking my Edge to Edge lip liner from MAC and just going to line my lips. Then I'm going in with this lipstick from L'Oreal. Forget the name, but it will be down below. Again, it's just this really nice soft pink shade. And here we go with our final look. I'm glad I added the extra little bit, because in the first time I did this eye look, I didn't add glitter and I didn't do the inner corner, but I'm glad I did that because I feel like it just finishes it off a little bit more and just adds that extra pop to it, because who doesn't want to be sparkling on Valentine's Day? Anyway, I hope you like this soft Valentine's Day look. I will be coming back with a full beat Valentine's Day look. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you in my next video.